Go.
Alright, hello. We're here today in an undisclosed location. Apparently there's an RD350LC in this garage. We're going to have a look at it, see if we can get it running. Today's biscuit is a jammy Dodger. Can't beat that. So yeah, let's get it open and have a look. Alright, right, we've got the garage open. Eating the biscuit, that's good. Yeah, here it is. So yeah, we're just gonna. Whoa! Look at the colour of the engine. Oh my god! Lilac. That was in the 90s. Everybody painted their LCs like purple and pink. I had one with pink wheels. Right, we'll get that uncovered and
yeah,
we'll see. Right, we've got it out. Going to clear a bit more away. Actually, he's letting us work in the garage. Yeah, that's a good sign. Looking at the clutter in it. Yeah, maybe we should put that out and do him a favour.
Did you need any plastic boxes?
Oh yeah. Right, let's crack on. Right. Yeah, you can see it was probably someone's pride and joy at some point. Well, I know it was. It's probably really cool in the day, but yeah, looks like it's been down the road there maybe. It's all there, it's just been sitting, isn't it? Look at it. Does it turn over? Let's have a look. It does. Oh my god, it does. Apparently it's been sitting here for 30 years. Or nearly 30 years, yeah, look. 96 on the tax disc, so yeah, 29 years. It does turn over. What do you reckon? Do you think we should just put petrol in it? Because on the C90 we started being all sensible and stripping the carbs down. Yeah. Should we do that? Just straightforward petrol in, let's go. Got to be done, hasn't it? Apparently inside the tank is bad. Let's have a look. The old aircraft filler caps I used to do, it was cool in the day. Can't see greatly, but I can see that that's rusty. You probably can't see it in the video, but inside there it's not great. Yeah, anyway, we're going to put fuel in independently, but first more tea. Just realised I didn't do the fortune. Let's see what we get. They're really hard to beat. You will travel to many places in the world. What on that? Actually, this bike was used for travelling. The guy travelled a lot on it. That's what these are for. He had panniers on here. It's quite rare for a 350LC. And he travelled all around Europe and I think part of Asia as well, I believe. So yeah, it's had a bit of a history, this bike.
Oh.
How many miles has it done? It's done 30,000, so it's probably about average, but yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Cool.
Let's get on. The grip's quite interesting. I mean, it's been used, let's say. Well used.
A little bit.
30,000 miles. Ignition still works though. Hopefully that's going to do us alright. I suppose the brakes work. They're all there. Goodrich hosing. He said it was 350. Actually, it's got 250 barrels.
Oh yeah. That's this junk wheel will go now.
It's a 350 engine though. 4LO. Has it got the tie bars? No tie bars. Has it got the cush drive on the back? Yes, cush drive. So yeah, I don't know if this. What about the engine? Sorry, the frame. Can you see that in there at all? That might be too hard to see, isn't it?
Isn't it? Can't see it.
All right, we'll have a look at that in a minute.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. You see it or not?
4L1.
401, 250 frame, but it's got the 350 back wheel.
350 front end.
350 front end, twin disc and twin horns they had. And probably the master cylinder would have been changed then, hopefully. Yeah, Okay. All right, we got the tank off. And yeah, don't know what that is. Performance enhancement stocking of some description. Perhaps an old racing trick. Who knows? Right, we're just about to put some fuel in the carb with our special fuel squirty bottle, which is a special bit of kit. Peeing down outside in the lovely British weather. Right, so yeah, I'm using the trigger sprayer with a special end on it. I actually designed that, but that's another story. And yeah, just you can see, I'm just pumping it in. It's really works very, very well. And yeah, fill up the carbs with fuel a little bit. That also, if the floats are stuck, it will just pop it open. I could actually feel that as I did it. It resisted at first and it popped open, so that's kind of useful. So yeah, we'll do the other one, and then this size pipe fits nicely into the standard. Pretty much all motorbikes use that standard 6mm ID pipe. I'll get that done, and then we'll go from there. Is it going to run after 29 years? All right, so we've got the fuel in there. That went in really nice. Ignition's on. We're not going to check anything. So on that C90 we did, if you've watched that other video, you can probably see it in our playlist. We stripped it all down, and you know, we thought it would need that, but this bike has been put away running, so we put fuel in it, we turned it on. Okay, Andy, let's go. Have we got choke? Oh yeah, choke's on. Yep. I mean, obviously we're not expecting it to run. We just thought we'd give it a go. Come on, give it some beans.
Well, I think it's dead.
No. Okay. Right, we'll do some more fiddling. The next thing, we're going to check the spark. Let's see if we can get a spark. We need to hold it nearer. Yep, really strong. Really strong. So we're going to assume the other one sparks. So spark all good. All right, this time we put the bodywork back on before giving it another go. Right, we're just putting her back together. I mean, as it turns out, we didn't even necessarily need to take the tank off. But there it is, retro racer. Kind of looks cool in its own kind of a way. Time machine. Funny. There you go. We're just going to take one more video for the owner to see it running and go from there. Right, let's see if it starts. It runs.
Cool.
And the owner was super happy to see that. He hasn't seen the bike run for 29 years. He's now got to decide what to do with the bike. So there might be another video if we do more work to it. Keep an eye out. All right, we're done. We're just putting it back, covering it up nicely. Hope you enjoyed that video. We enjoyed doing it. Yeah, like and subscribe, hit the notification button and all that. Thanks very much. Bye.